Hello friends, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about importance of mathematics in chemistry or mathematics for chemistry. I already uploaded 3 videos on importance of mathematics in chemistry. This is my 4th video. So this is very basic chemistry. As a chemist you should know the basic mathematics and upgrade yourself. So hope this video will be helpful to you. You can see here logarithm. Here 4 and 2. The 4 is called the base and 2 is called the exponent, index or power. And these are the formula, summary of some index law for reference. X to the power 0 means 1, 1 means x. So root are used to find the unknown base in a power calculation. For instance, x power 3 is 64, the same as 3 root 64, x is the base. The logarithm is used to find the unknown power or experiment. For example, 4 to the power x is equal to 64 is the same as log 4 64 is equal to x. These examples above is spoken as the logarithm of 64 with base 4 is x. The base is written in subscript. So in general formula y is equal to bx is equal to log by is equal to h. In simple term, logarithm attempt to the answer how many of one number do we multiply to get another number. For example, how many 3's do we multiply to get 81? The answer is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. In other words, we need of 4 and 3's to get 81. This means that the logarithm is 4. So log 381 is equal to 4. In mathematics, the base can be any number, but only two test types are commonly used: log 10n and log en. Base 10 and base e is often abbreviated as simply log and is often abbreviated as ln or natural log. So log 10n is easy to understand for log 10,000. Log 1000 is equal to 3. 10 to the power 3 is equal to 1000. So log 100 is equal to 2. Numbers which are not 10, 100 and 1000 so are not too easy. For instance, log 500 2.7. It is more efficient to use the calculator for this type of expressions. Now let us explore further. Logs to the base 10 are used in chemistry where very small concentration is involved. For instance, acidity is determined by the concentration of H+ ion measured in moles per liter, the written as H+ in a solution. In pure water, 0.00001 mole per liter or 10 to the power minus 7. So less acidic, neutral and more acidic. A special scale called pH has been developed to measure the acidity and is simply the negative index of the above scale. You may have noticed this scale if you help out with the balancing a swimming pool to ensure the water is safe for swimming. So a solution with pH is equal to 7 is neutral, while pH is equal to 3 is acidic, pH is equal to 2 is more acidic, and pH 12 is alkaline, and so on. So friends, simplifying logarithm expression. Logarithm have helpful properties that are useful in simplifying logarithm expression and solving equation. The product rule. The log of product is the sum of the log of its factor. You can see log 232, log 2 4 into 8, and 4 8 are the factor of 32. So log 2 4 into 8, log 2 4 plus log 2 8 is equal to 2 plus 3. So log 2 32 is equal to 5. So quotient rule. The log of quotient is the difference of the logs of the numerator and denominator. Log 4 x cube divided by 3. So log 4 x cube minus log 3. The power rules. The log of power is the exponent times the log of the base of the power. Log 3 9 square 2 to the power log 3 9 and so on, you can see. So friends, solving equations. Equal sign of equation indicates that both sides of the equation are equal. The equations may contain unknown quantity or variable. whose value can be calculated. In equation 4x plus 10 is equal to 20. The unknown quantity is x. This means the 5 multiplied by something and added to 10 will be equal to. To solve the equation means to find the values of the unknown quantity so that they can be substituted to make the left side and right side equal. Each such values is called a solution in the equation above. The equation is arranged and solved the reverse order of operation said mob to find the values for unknown. 4x plus 10 is equal to 20. First, rearrange by subtracting 10 from the LHS and RHS. You see, and then divide the both LHS and RHS x equal to 2. To check the solutions, substitute x for 2. 5 into 2 plus 10 is equal to 20. So, 4 principles to apply when solving the equation. First, work toward the solving the variable. Use the opposite mathematics operations. Remove the constant or coefficient by doing the opposite operation on both sides. Opposite of multiplication division, opposite of plus minus, opposite of square is root x, opposite of root x is equal to plus minus square. Maintain balance. What do we do to one side? We must do it to the other side of equation. Check the substitute the value back into the equation to see the so one step equations, addition, subtractions. Check the substitution 13 for x. So now two step equation. The following equation required two steps to single out the variable. Addition, example 2x plus 6 is confirmed. The constant 6 is the subtract from both sides, creating the following equations. You can see 2x plus 8. And then next both sides are divided by 2, creating the following equation. Substitute x4 into the equation, so answer must be correct. And subtraction examples like that and multiplication. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. And another important thing is that rearranging formula. The formula uses symbols and rules to describe the relationship between quantities. In mathematics, formulas follow the standard rule for algebra and can be rearranged as such. If values are given to all other variables described in the formula, rearranging allows for the calculations of the unknown variable. This is the mathematics application of working with the variables and unknown in physics and engineering problem. In this section, rearranging equation and substitute the value is practiced with the common physics formula to determine the unknown. The next, you can see here, calculate the density of lithium. So alternative calculation of mass you can do like that. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.